Well, MOS General VK Singh attended the Pakistan Day celebrations in New Delhi, and later he blamed the media for allegedly twisting his comments on Twitter. But General Singh's tweet spree within 62 minutes of attending the event has left many questions unanswered. Was the former army chief forced to attend the event? And if so, who ordered him to do so?
So are you trying to... Sir, Mr. VK Singh, sir, are you trying to share stage with the separatists today? Sir, are you trying to share stage with the separatists today? Sir, is the government going soft on Pakistan and separatists?
Even as he arrived at the Pakistan High Commission, MOS in the Ministry of External Affairs General VK Singh showed signs of discomfort, not even looking at the media. Received by Pakistan High Commissioner, General VK Singh sat along with Abdul Basit. Barely 10 minutes later, General Singh had left the venue.
General VK Singh, just a brief question, sir. Did you share stage with separatists, sir? Sir, did you share stage with separatists?
While he again avoided the media outside the Pakistan High Commission, Times Now caught up with the minister a short while later.
You spent 5 minutes. Was it 5 minutes too long?
I don't know. The government of India has to send the MOS. They sent me and I went there and came back.
So did
That's
the
it.
Prime Minister ask you to go there?
The government of India asked me to go there.
Still not saying much, but he was saving it for the social media, where General Singh put out a series of puzzling tweets, even giving definitions of duty.
Mr. VK Singh should have gone and met the martyrs' family, not gone to the Pakistan High Commission. And he shouldn't have gone. And they should have boycotted the function.
An hour later, the minister now questioning the media, raising doubts on whether he was attempting a cover-up, after having vented out his feelings via Twitter.
What have you gained by going there? What have you gained by going there? It's not a question of loss. What have you gained by going there? You've gained nothing.
But the BJP is defending General Singh's brief trip to the Pakistan High Commission.
Our policy is not driven by whether we go to a High Commissioner's event or not. That's not how Government of India's policy ever will be. And I refuse to believe that any sensible government, and last of all Prime Minister Modi's government, is going to be developing a policy based on an event in a High Commissioner's house, whose rank probably is that of Joint Secretary to Government of India.
A visit that is raising questions. Was General VK Singh forced to attend? And having gone, was he trying to register his protest? Bureau Report, Times Now.